Welcome to Kerry.
It's a bit magical, isn't it?
Really magical, isn't it? You can imagine some fairies wandering about here.
And in the rain it's even more probably. We're at Lickeen Wood and now it's raining.
Isn't it great outside?
Are we just going to go?
We're just going to have a go for it. Get a bit of air, a bit of fresh air.
It's going to be fresh. We're under the umbrella trying to keep the camera dry.
There's 3 trails up Lickeen Wood. We're all looped in a circle. We're going to try Castle Rock. Is it?
Yeah, Castle Rock Trail. It says it's strenuous, but we've got the boots on. But it's the shortest one. It's only an hour.
And given the weather, might get a bit of a workout and a nice woodland walk.
I mean, it sounds good, you know, like they always do at the beginning.
I think there's many walkers on the road today.
I think there is.
We're the only ones in the car park.
Ah, here we are, Green Arrow.
Castle Rock Loop.
Which is taking us off the road, which is quite nice. Looks like we're going more up into the forest now. Do you think the tea's ready?
Yeah. Cheers to everyone.
We're right in the woods now, aren't we? I suppose they call it strenuous because it's uphill. Look at this.
This is a bit of a rock climb, this.
I like the way this looks.
Some epic views up here.
Look at that. Flippin' heck.
So what you can see, it looks better from here in real life, but it's an epic lake.
Oh, it's lovely, isn't it? The mountains. Oh, it'd be amazing on a clear day.
I know.
It's a bit misty, isn't it, because of the rain. You said somebody had called it like a Lord of the Rings type walk. I can see why. It's a bit magical, isn't it?
Really magical, isn't it? You can imagine some fairies wandering about here.
Yeah. And the little twisty turny path and the stones, twisty trees and loads of moss. And in the rain it's even more probably.
Add into the atmosphere.
It makes it hard to film, but it's really good.
It's very cold.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Look at that.
Just coming out a cliff edge. So
Look how gorgeous that is. It's like a little fantasy world.
it continues the trail. Looks like we're going back up the staircase.
Oh.
Look at the size of the rock.
Yeah. Look at these rocks.
Just randomly scattered.
They make such weird shapes, don't they? And then look up there, the path just disappears into the forest again. Lots of clover. Is there any 4-leaf? And the rain's stopping. Or it's at least getting very light now. So hopefully it's gonna continue to get brighter. I think it's rapidly becoming one of our favourites. Would you say?
Yeah.
Reminds you of Popluca.
Popluca is very similar. With massive drop-offs and the gorges and the...
Yeah, and the foresty bits.
Yeah. Very similar.
That's our favourite hike. Best hike ever it's called, that video. It's a good one. I like the way you go up and down on these steps.
Yeah.
It's like a little bridge.
Tree bridge.
Yeah.
Little stream down here.
Oh my goodness, this really is like fairyland, isn't it?
Well, see if there's any fairies.
Okay, keep your eyes peeled for fairies. Can you get under there?
Just about. Bit of a stream. A little tiniest little stream.
A little bridge over it, look. Oh my goodness. How cute is this? Like little magical land.
Just for us.
Just for us. I like all the light green of the spring leaves coming out, and then the darker green of the pines and the evergreens.
It's all lush green.
Yeah, ready to unfurl. That nice view, thank you.
There's a man arrow. But I don't see a green arrow. I've not seen another green arrow. Green arrow, green arrow.
We've eventually come back around on this loop trail.
We didn't see an arrow for a while.
We're beginning to wonder if we had to go all the way back again.
But we are on track.
Wow. It was a bit steep and rocky coming down there.
Yeah, I wouldn't advise anyone who's a bit dodgy on the feet.
No, definitely not.
But it's a good, really cool walk, isn't it?
It's so cool, isn't it? What a walk.
Cool walk. I don't know how near we are to the end, but we seem like we're coming out of the forest more now.
Yeah, we come back down a long way, through the forest, over the rocky bit. Oh, it's a bit magical.
Yeah, I love the staircases around the forest.
I know,
It's like
me
up
too.
and down in a swirly motion. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's really cool. We just walked back from the circular route, got back to the car park, but just walked along the road a little bit further to look at this bridge. And there's a little picnic spot here. Wow.
Quite a nice bed.
It's lovely, isn't it? Next to a beautiful river, bridge. It's very picturesque, isn't it? Look at that.
It's like a stone picnic.
It's pretty fancy.
So,
And look at the view you've got here.
and here's the car park.
Absolutely teeming with hordes of people.
And the rain stopped.
Oh, how nice is that?